Hello again. I guess if you've seen the news, you know that there is a blizzard here in Colorado, which is why I have this lovely scarf on. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. My friend Hallie asked me to show you some friends of mine, and so here they are. So yeah, that was my friend Hallie's, well, they're my friends that live with me, some of my roommates, but it's from my friend Hallie, and a couple other things I wanted to talk about. With the blizzard, you know, well, it's kind of hard to drive, as you saw last time when I was in the car, and Gypsy Cat had somebody rear-end her and then drive off. That's called a hit and run, folks. That's really rude. So, whoever you are in the black Chevy SUV, I hope somebody bites you in the face. Because that's really crappy. So, sorry, Gypsy Cat, some jerk hit your car. I hope something bad happens to them. Okay, something else really interesting I wanted to talk to you about. My friend Hallie also has a YouTube account, and my boyfriend lives with her. She plays this game called The Sims, and she made Sims characters of me and my boyfriend, whose name is Butterscotch. And The Sims me had a puppy today. So I'm going to link you to some of the video that she took of The Sims, because it's pretty neat. And, well, that's all. I guess I'm going to go play in the snow here in a minute, so I don't know what else I really have to say. Hey, Fisterius. So we're going to give it, oh God, where is it? Look, I don't know where it went. I'll just find it later. Look, let me just sit down.